Scott Brown here. In today's exciting episode, we are on a old house in Waterview, and there's a few old windows that we need to replace. That noise is the sound of my batteries charging, so I think I'm gonna need a bit of multi-tooling in order to open these windows. See, this is all bound shut. So yeah, we're gonna have to cut that from the outside, and this one is very similar. It's got the lock in it, so. But yeah, even with the lock undone, you can't open the window. There we go. So the timber would have been rubbing, and then you add paint to that, and then it really rubs, and eventually it just sticks. So just gotta slice that. Let's do the same on this window. We've got a bit of a gap at the top, but the bottom is where it's binding. So this is the niggly part about having wooden windows and a wooden house in general. It's worth it for the character of the house though, I reckon. All houses need maintenance. This is just the maintenance you need for a timber house. Oh, this one here, it's not just the window rubbing on this one, it's actually the hinge. That hinge there is like separating and bending, so you can see it especially as you close it. Look at that. Before we carry on with the weather grooves, stop for a break. Just me here today, as you can probably tell by now. Pato is busy at that Ellerslie job actually, where we put the big bifold window in. He's putting the scribers either side of it. We've already done the weatherboards all around it and everything. And then he's doing the architrave on the inside. I might call him there today if I can find time. I'm only here till lunchtime, so let's see how much I can get done before then. Weather groove. So I can do that to each window now. And that should help prevent it swelling up again, and then maybe we won't need to plane it. Yeah. So the weather groove idea worked. Obviously taking these windows off and doing them putting the weather groove and trimming them on a bench would be so much easier, but these windows are so old that as soon as you start pulling them off, you might have a hard time getting them back on. And we're back. I got locks that go for the windows, got a bunch of them, more locks, and a hinge. Oh, I also picked up some more mail, all the way from the USA. I can't read that. Building Center. I think I know what this is. What the heck? Look at this. Mount Vernon Building Center, your local lumberyard since 1981. Thank you, mate. That's great. 2 of them. And look, like a million pencils. Oh, thank you, Mount Vernon Building Center. I don't think I'll be buying any timber from you, but I'm glad to have your pencils and t-shirts. Alright, let's do some work. Okay guys, we're getting there, a lock or two more. Took a little extra work to get that one off. Look at this hinge. That is well and truly done. And last, but not least, another working door, another working gate. No, not strong enough. Oh my god, woohoo! So the gate's working, this door's working now. Let's double check that. Wow, new hinge, boom. Put that over there like that. Oh, look at that, perfect. Isn't that one? Wow, look at this. It's built in. Very cool. Two brand new locks on them. I don't know what all this tape is about. Had nothing to do with me. Whee! Boom. All working. See, these windows were like painted shut when I arrived yesterday. The old locks were fine on these ones. Lock's good. And this one, this was the hardest one. Now look at it. No resistance. It's a good feeling, getting it all done. I knew I'd get it done, but you know, it's a good feeling when you actually do. The endless New Zealand summer continues, guys. Don't want to brag, but I know in a matter of months we'll be having the opposite, and you guys up in the northern hemisphere can laugh at us. Look at that. Day after day after day of sunshine. Life as a one-man production crew. Alright, let's go.